Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the GE Dishwasher lower dish rack roller and mount kit. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new lower dish rack roller and mount kit. The lower dish rack roller and mount kit is what the lower dish rack rolls in and out on. The main reason you'd be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged and the rack's not rolling in and out properly. In order to change the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Now that we have the door open, we're going to pull the lower dish rack out and we're going to lift the silverware basket out and set it aside. Now that we have the silverware basket out, we're going to lift the lower dish rack up and set it on the counter. We're going to turn it over so we have access to the bottom. Make sure you put a towel down so you don't damage the countertop. There's 4 lower dish rack roller and mounts on the bottom of the dish rack. They're all changed out the same way. We're going to take a small flathead screwdriver and press on the cover to get it to drop down a little bit. And then we're going to go right up in here. There's 2 locking tabs. We're just going to get in between there and pry it off. Once you have it free, you can just slide it back a little bit and pull it off the dish rack. Here's the old lower dish rack roller and mount kit next to the new one. You can see they've redesigned it, but it'll go in and work just fine. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new lower dish rack roller and mount on, we're just going to line it up just like the old one was and snap it into place. The new one has a couple locking tabs that snap it in. So you want to make sure you slide it forward enough to get those locked. Once you have it in place, we can put the rollers on. All you have to do is line them up with the shafts and snap them on. Now we can put the lower dish rack back in the dishwasher. All you have to do is lift it up, turn it over, set it on the door. Once you have it in place, we can put the silverware basket back in. To put it in, all you have to do is set it in place so it hooks on the rack. And then we can push the lower dish rack back in. Close the door. Plug it back in and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.